These poses will work. Let me just shoot here. Perfect.
Hey YouTube, it's Chris again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a photo shoot with a model in the forest. And it's great because she's a dancer too, so we'll get some pretty cool poses. I'm going to be shooting with the Canon R5 today using the 28-70 RF lens. And also I'll be shooting with some off-camera flash, so you'll see the AD400 Pro in action along with the trigger there. So guys, if you like this type of video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon because I'll be making more videos like these. And enjoy.
Good. I'm gonna back this up just a little bit because it's still a little brighter than I want. It's a lot brighter out here than I think, so I may actually switch to off-camera flash. But I mean, no flash. But I really want to get this down. Let me see. There we go. I've got it. Let me just change my white balance. All right, give me 1 sec. Here we go. All right, perfect. You ready? Okay. Take a small step this way. Right there. Good. Good. Perfect. Beautiful. Here we go. Right there, hold that. Oh, that's perfect. Good. There it is. That's fantastic. Good job. Do that one more time. I love that. That's great. One more time. Okay, when I say one more time, I really mean like 10 more times. Yeah, one more time. That was great.
So after these photos, we went ahead and decided to head down the trail a little further. Stumbled upon this bridge, decided to be a great place for an outfit change, whipped out the changing tent as usual. And then, yeah, we decided to see what we could get here, so.
Good, perfect. Can you do that same one looking towards that left hand, like that direction? With that left hand? That direction, perfect. Good. That's fantastic. Awesome. You need a rest? You need a rest? You can hold that for a while, can't you?
Yeah, it depends.
Okay. Let's do another one. I'm gonna get real low. Can you do that same pose again?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Perfect. And that's great. Perfect. Yep. I love it from the low angle like this. Yep. Great. perfect.
What if I do a little like...
Yeah, that'll work. That'll be perfect.
Okay, ready?
Hold on one sec.
I'll see if there's one and I'll just do a tiny jump.
Yep, works. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Hold on one sec. I'm gonna put my shit on a rapid fire. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
On 3, or you count it out.
3, 2, 1.
One more time.
3, 2, 1.
There we go. These are good. I'm gonna turn this up just to here. Good. And then, oh, that pose is perfect. That pose is perfect. No, the pose you were just in.
Oh, the one.
Yeah, I wanted to change my lighting just a little bit because I'm gonna get the perfect shot. Here we go. Yeah. Good. And then, hold on one sec. Hold that.
I was like...
Yeah, like that. And then I wonder if that, yeah, and I wonder if that left hand can be doing something like dreamy. Think like dreamy, like I'm a fairy, does that work? Yeah. Yes, perfect. That's beautiful. Wonderful. That is perfect. See, I love this. Don't move, stay right there. There we go. Good. Can you do one? Can you cross that knee over the other one? Yes, perfect. Good. All right, thanks for y'all for tuning in. We had a fabulous shoot. I hope y'all enjoyed the photos and the videos. Again, if you like the video, make sure you click the subscribe button and the like button. Also, follow Rebel on Instagram. Rebel, what's your Instagram?
Rebel_fits.
I got that link down in the description. So other than that, I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.